Good afternoon, students. Well, I convinced Mr. C to do a little bit of review of surface area and volume of objects. So, he's going to help you guys because we're noticing that some of you aren't even doing the problems. That really hurts on a test. So, without further ado, I give you your teacher.
Well, guys, I wanted to kind of go through volume and surface area. Some of you are not even doing these problems when you get to them on your lesson, and some of you even haven't even attempted them on your tests. Well, on a test, that's 5 points off. At least if you attempt it, I might give you a point or two for trying. So we first have volume. These are problems from a lesson in your book that you recently did. So if you need to go back and correct those, you can find these and do that. This shape you see in the black is the original shape on your lesson, and they want the volume of this shape. Remember that volume is area of the base times the height. So I need to divide this up into 3 sections so I can find the area of each part. So I chose to draw a line here to find the triangular shape. I drew a line coming down, so I have this long rectangular shape, and then I have this also, the base long rectangular shape. Alright, so I got 3 here because the height is 13. This little part here is 10, so that means the missing piece is 3. So 3 times 13, the height is 26, so this is 26 here. Well, to find this little shape here, I know it's 40 long, but it's 2 off, so it's 38 times 3, my height, so this area here is 114. Well, I need to find the base of my triangle, which is 28. I took the length of 40, minus 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 from 40 is 28, as I have here. So my length here is 28. My height, all of this is 20. This is 3, so this is 3. So 20 minus 3 is 17. So I go 17 times 28, divided by 2 because it's a triangle, gives me 238. Then I take the 3 parts, 238, 114, and 26, add them together is 378, times the height, which they said was 2 yards, but they want the answer in feet. So 2 yards is the same as 6 feet, so I go 378 times 6 equals 2,268 feet cubed, which is the correct answer. Now what's nice about this is you guys can go back and look at this and look at this and look at this and memorize it so you know how to do it next time even better than I do. Okay, the next problem right after this was on total surface area. Total surface area, and they want you to draw a rectangular box with those measurements that are given. So what I have to do is find the total area of each side and add it all together. Well, I went first 4 times 2, which is going to be this side and the back side there. 4 times 2 is 8. There's 2 of them, so it's 16 for the 2 sides. Then I went 10 times 2, which is my top and my bottom, which is 20 times 2, which is 40. Then I went 4 times 10, which is these 2 sides here, which is 40 times 2 is 80. I added those together, 16, 40, and 80, and I came up with 136 feet squared for the total surface area of this shape. So that's how you're going to do volume and surface area. I probably plan on doing a couple other videos on math problems as I see students struggling with certain problems. If you do have a particular problem you would like me to do on the board and do a video, you can always email me, get a hold of me, and I will do some examples on the board to help you, especially when it comes to test time. So please do all your corrections and do the best you can in everything you do. We will talk to you later and enjoy the day God has given us.